Describe Ate David sa iyong beware. Okay, she's wearing a spaghetti strap na maong of color Jollibee. Nag-wear siya party hat nga Jollibee sad. And look at the picture. Dali na ni mo siya makitaan, pinapon siya'y medallion Jollibee. Find yourself, Brad. Find him under the table, under the chair, or naabang sa Isabel, nilupag.
Find their skippers.
Okay, find Daday Jollibee. I wanted to find Daday Jollibee. Where is she? Where is that beautiful girl? Who is she? You gotta take me so high. Da 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 da. Wow, there you have it. Once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Daday! Yay! A big hug from Jollibee. Big hug. A big hug from Jollibee. Okay, this time Jollibee, mag-hide and seek na punta. Can we hide na po si Anin or si Janine, or also known as Anin, okay? So this time Jollibee, I want you to find our celebrant this afternoon. A 4-year-old celebrant. A little girl, pretty, okay? Itong naka-yellow na dress. Yes! This time, I want you to find our celebrant this afternoon. Find Anin, Jollibee. Find Anin. Where is she? Where is she? Where is that little girl? Who is she? Who is she? Wow! Big up from Jollibee. Very wow. Okay. Okay, this time, napaka-surprise ni Anin